Hello everyone, it's Petko Alexandrov, and today I will share with you why I have taken out everything out of my Coinbase account. No worries, nothing to worry about from my side or from your side if you're using Coinbase. Just I wanted to share what happened, and you can keep it in mind if it happens with you, and you will know what is the solution. So they refused to approve my address. So they rejected my proof of address for verifying my account, and it was super strange because I've been using Coinbase, as you know, with this account since the beginning of the year when I started the course and all the videos. And now in November, when I raised my account above 20,000, or this is above 10,000 euro, as you're following all the videos, they sent me a warning that if I don't provide them with a proof of address, they will block my account for withdrawals, which was very frustrating and unexpected because I've been using Coinbase for almost a year with this account, and I've been using them much longer with other accounts, and I never had this issue. So I got a little bit worried, what will happen if they actually block my account? What if they don't allow me to withdraw or to send the coins out of there, right? So I've sent them a couple of documents and they were not approved, they were rejected. And going through their terms and conditions, I'm not sure right now where they are, but they have the condition that you need to send the address, the proof of address, with the Latin letters, and in Bulgaria we use the Cyrillic. So I didn't have a document actually to send with Latin letters, okay? And all through the years I've had so many accounts with different forex brokers, trading institutions, and they have always accepted Cyrillic, which is very strange. How come Coinbase doesn't accept Cyrillic, right? So what I did, I had to ask my mobile company that provides me with the mobile services, the internet, TV at home and so on, to send me the invoice in Latin. And actually they did. So I uploaded it and my account was approved. But because I had a deadline, it was the 16th of December, so the warning was if I don't provide a proof of address until the 16th of December, they will block my account for withdrawals. So what I did before sending the last document actually was to withdraw the funds. So here it is. I did a withdrawal for 3,000 euro to my PayPal account, okay? Very easy on the moment, and as well I have sent all the other cryptos to wallets. And actually I'm planning to record some more videos the next days about the wallets, because it is very important actually to keep your funds and your cryptos on wallets and not on your Coinbase account. It's not just because of what happened to me and my account almost got blocked, but because the wallets are more secure than the exchanges. So we should be using the exchanges just to exchange and buy cryptocurrencies, but if you're holding them for a longer month, a few months, years, definitely you need a wallet. It's more secure, cyber attacks, and at the same time you will avoid anything like that. Okay, so nothing bad towards Coinbase. I continue using them. It's my favorite crypto exchange, super easy to use, very friendly interface, and I'm very used with it, so I will continue using it after my proof of address was approved. But definitely I will be keeping more my coins on wallets, and just when I want to exchange, sell, or do any transactions, I will put them back in Coinbase, and of course I will use Coinbase to buy currencies in the future. But I just decided to record this video. If this ever happens to you, they don't accept your proof of address, this is because you need to send it with the Latin letters and not with the letters you have in your country. Alright, so if you're living in the States, UK, and everywhere where you receive the invoices in Latin, it will be much more comfortable and you won't have that issue. But if you're anywhere in Asia, Russia, Bulgaria, or anywhere else where we receive our invoices on different languages, that might be an issue. And this is how almost my account got blocked. That's why I did all the withdrawals, and of course I will be continuing using the Coinbase, but in the next days I'll be recording some videos about the security of the accounts, why it is better to keep the coins in wallets and not in the exchanges, and I will share with you which wallets I'm using as I find them most secure. Alright guys, thanks for staying with me until the end. If you have found the video useful, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to get more of our crypto trading videos. Cheers!